Welcome to my third vlog ever. My brother just got a new RC car, as you can see, and he just drove his car over his shoes, and he found a way to do donuts. Go ahead. Look at this. Let's do some more magic. Let's watch some more magic.
I'm still learning the basics of this.
He's still learning.
I wonder if I can climb my skateboard.
I wonder if it... Ooh.
No.
Crucial. Sorry if the color's messed up.
Reverse donuts! Wait. Dang it, I hit the wrong way.
Sorry about the color. I'm not sure what's going on.
I'm gonna make it do 2 wheels.
Ooh, spooky eyeballs! He's back at it again. He just went birthday shopping, so he's just trying out his new toys. Oh! Oh!
He still drives.
Oh!
No! I want to go back upside down.
Let's go to the back room.
Get up there! No!
So close.
Wait, I can still make this.
But you can reverse and get out. Let's go to the back room. Ooh, there he goes, And he's out of here. Ow, my foot. Put in the comments what you want us to do next with our RC car. Please like and subscribe.